Hello everyone. Before starting this business of internet hotspotting or selling internet to different clients from these giant companies, I've come here to give you a clear information before starting with this business. Many people have been starting business like me, and sometimes we find different problems from these tech giants, these companies which are providing internet to this business. So before starting this business, first watch this video. It will give you a clear information on what you can do for those who are providing internet using these companies. I've come here to give you a clear information, so please try to stick this video until the end. You don't skip any tip, any procedure, any information on these companies when they are providing internet. I'm one of them. I'm kinda like a victim to this company because I've already paid for these companies. All of them I've already tested them, and I know how they work and how they have been trying to provide internet and services, customer services, how they do everything. So if you're starting this business, let's get started with this. Let's start with MTN. For this MTN, it's having this kind of it's WakaNet fiber. I've tried it several times, almost now a year using this company. It provides internet. Its service is very fast. They started with at like 130. They could give you 10 Mbps. Then they had to increase and upgrade. As you can see, these are the products which they provide you whenever you're starting this business. They started with 10 Mbps, then they had upgraded it up to 60 Mbps. For late, it's very nice. It's working very well. These are the products which they come. Whenever you pay that amount of money, that's what they give you on with that. Then for the integration, for the microtics, it's your own bill. You buy them for the access points. It's not part of their business. So the moment they provide the internet, then you have to adjust as you have been doing in several times. I've tried to test the speed of it whenever they provide it after installing, and their customer service is very well. Whenever you call them, they come and fix that internet very well, very fast and quick in that business. So to me, it's better to use MTN because I've already used it several times, almost a year using it. It's the one which I use it to test, to see this business of hotspotting if it's good for everyone. As you can see the speed of it, they give you 60 Mbps. You see the speed of it on a phone. I try to test it. Then when it comes to Airtel, oh my god, I don't know what I can tell you about this kind of a company. I've used it. I had to pay for it. The first thing where they are not good, they say extreme internet, or those who have been buying it from Airtel. Whenever you buy, they provide you the stuff which you have to use within their company. Like the moment you pay, they come and do installation, free installation as usual. Those are the things they give you. They give you this point-to-point signal. Then they give you the router so that you can use and get internet from their servers. That's how they transfer internet. For the MTN, they use those fiber lines. This is the internet after installing it. Imagine, and you had paid for 40 Mbps, the amount 250,000 shillings. That's what you pay, but the internet keeps on doing this, and no users here. I had not yet even added anyone to this system, so I had to first test and see how it works. It's even always in the kbps, never in mbps. I tried several times. I tried to connect to them. They couldn't give any help. The internet is very slow, as I can tell you guys. And the next thing with it, sometimes it connects, then with time it shows connected but no internet, like it's not providing internet at all. And yet whenever you try to call them, they send you like tech guys. They come, they check, Like here they had sent another thing, they changed the router, they changed everything, the access points, but still they cannot fix this issue at all. So I paid for almost a month. That money all the clients could complain day per day until they stopped using it. I stopped getting money from it. It had paid for them, and I had paid them, and they don't refund. Of course, you lose your clients, and you're paying for that internet really. So it's when I was like, let me make for you a video. You try to know the things when you're starting this business, the issues you have to experience within this kind of a problem, kind of this business, so that it can be solved out before going any other further. So Airtel, it's not a good company to get internet for those, actually for mostly for those people who are in remote areas, because I was trying to put this internet into remote areas so that people can get good internet and try to use it. I was introducing it. It was a new business within that area so that people could try to understand how internet works. There are some content creators, upcoming content creators, who want to earn money from this content creation, so that would help them. So basically, when you're trying to make business within these remote areas, Airtel internet bundle, extreme internet fiber, it's not good at all. You do this business at your own risk. You'll experience the same thing which I've tried, and we put these videos on YouTube everywhere so that you can be helped out whenever you're making this kind of a business, so that you don't fall into shit like how we have been doing. So guys, just try to put that in your mind whenever you're putting it. Though we have this mentality, like whenever you're starting a new business, you have to make some losses, you have to spend some months without making any money. But for internet, that wouldn't be the same issue, if I'm to say like that, because you're solving a problem to a certain solution so that people can get like a solution with the problem which they are facing with data issue. So if you cannot provide good data to people, that means you're not providing anything. Like anything would help them in doing this kind of business. So that would be better whenever you have where you can access MTN fiber. It's the best as per now in remote areas. It's the best which internet provider which you can get. Gives good customer service. Whenever you call them, they have their managers, they pick you, they sort that issue very well and immediately without facing any challenge. But for Airtel, they keep on, we are going to put in the system, you are going to fix this, then at the end of the day you don't get any other solution. So that's the problem which I've tried to face within the remote areas. So guys, if you're starting this business, put those things in caution. So that's why I told you have to watch this video until the end, so that I could lies everything concerning this Airtel business, because it won't give you the right results. You end up, you paid for your money and couldn't get the right results which you had expected before starting that business. So thank you guys. That's